Guys, today we will discuss about the orthopara directing nature of halogens. Okay, we know halogens are more electronegative than the carbon atoms. So, what they will do, they will deactivate the ring through inductive effect, that is minus I effect. So, they will direct the incoming group to ortho and para position. And one more thing is they will make, due to minus effect, they will make the ring as less nucleophilic, and the halogens has the lone pair will make the ring more stabilized because of delocalization, and they will create a new resonance structure. See here, structure 12 and 14, because of the lone pair present on halogen will distributed among the ring. So what will happen, it will stabilize the ring. Okay, so what is the main thing we have to make sure? Due to non-bonding electrons, the new resonance structures are created, and it is greater than the minus I effect. So what will happen, they will direct the incoming group to ortho and para attack. Even because of the lone pair also, we have new resonance structure which is shows that the ortho effect, ortho direction, that is ortho orientation and para orientation of incoming group will takes place. As we have seen earlier in the case of alkyl group nature of directing the incoming group, here also there is no such carbocation is closer to the substituent. See here, the substituent is closer, that is next to carbocation. Here in this structure, the carbocation is next to the substituent. Here also the positive charge is on the halogen, and it will direct the ortho and para orientation. Okay, next we will discuss about if more than one substituent is present at the ring, means what will happen. Look at here, when there are two groups on aromatic ring is placed, one will be direct the incoming group to ortho para directing, and other will direct it to meta direction. And for example, 2-fluoromethoxybenzene is nitrated at ortho and para position to the methoxyl group. Okay, let us see the example in clear way. See here, fluoromethoxybenzene, the incoming group is one is para at para position and here in ortho. So ortho para direction is taking place. And if we have the electrophilic substitution like this, means what will happen? See the thing here in A, the methyl group will direct the incoming group to ortho and para position, and in the case of nitro group, it will direct the incoming group to its meta position. See here, if this is substituent, means we should consider this as the first carbon. So this is ortho position and this is meta position corresponding to the nitro group. Okay, so what will happen, the new incoming group automatically will substituted in meta position with respect to nitro group. Look at here. Okay, with respect to nitro group. But in the case of methyl group, that is alkyl group, what is the nature of alkyl group? it is the ortho-para director. So the new incoming electrophile will substituted or oriented in ortho and para position. See here, if we are considering this group as the substituent, means this is first carbon, so this is ortho position, this is meta position, and this one is para position. So this alkyl group will direct the incoming group to ortho and para position. Is it clear? And if in the second case, ortho and para directing group controls the orientation. So with respect to alkyl group, only the ortho and para product will be possible. See here, there is no direction for meta position of this nitro group. See here, with respect to nitro group, incoming group direction should be placed whether here to this carbon or this carbon, but there is no such direction. So what is happening? The ortho para directing group, that is methyl group, controls the NO2 group. Okay, that is ring activating effect is more for the methyl group compared to nitro group. So it directs the incoming group to ortho and para position. And here in the case of C, here in para-nitrotoluene, with respect to nitro group, the meta orientation may be takes place, that is possible for meta orientation. If only the methyl group plays the role, means what will happen? It will make the ortho orientation. See here, the electrophile is directed to ortho position with respect to methyl group. So if you are considering methyl group, means the incoming group will be oriented in ortho position, which is also meta with respect to nitro. Here if you are considering this nitro group, means ortho meta. If you are considering this also ortho meta with respect to nitro group. With respect to nitro group. So with respect to methyl group, ortho orientation is possible. With respect to nitro group, in para-nitrotoluene, meta orientation is possible. Okay, next, okay, when both groups are ortho and para directing group, means and they are placed in opposition. Here these two groups are having the nature of ortho para directing nature. Here in the methyl group only plus effect is there. Here it is it has amide amine group has, that is the nitrogen has lone pair in it, so it will make the ring more nucleophilic due to resonance structure. So what will happen? It will control the orientation. So with respect to this amine group, what will happen? The incoming group will be placed in ortho position, oriented in ortho position. See, if you want to get the clear idea, you just pass on through this previous thing what we have discussed earlier. See, hydroxyl ether and amide group and amine group, what will happen as per the carbocation formation. See, in this case hydroxyl group has the lone pair. In such a way, amine also nitrogen has the lone pair, so it will you will get resonance structure, extra resonance structure, and you will get the carbocation next to the substituent. So automatically what will happen? It will make the ring to get ortho orientation, and it has greater effect than the alkyl group which has only plus I effect. Okay, and compared to the reactivity of naphthalene, anthracene, and phthalate with benzene. They will be more reactive because the energy of activation of them is less compared to benzene. If energy activation is less means it is easy to form the product. And in the case of anthracene, where will be the electrophilic attack takes place? Here in the center of the ring. And one more thing, ipso addition. What is ipso addition? If the carbon in aromatic ring bearing the substituent is the ipso addition. Ipso carbon, that is this C6H6. The carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Among this carbon possesses the substituent, so it is termed as ipso carbon. If when some electrophile is attacks the substituted benzene means what will happen, this electrophile will attack the ipso carbon, so forming of new bond and breaking of the substituent will be taken place at the same time. That is called as ipso substitution. That is the substituent which is already present in ipso carbon will accept the new electrophile, and the substituent which is already present is getting departed. So we will get the product like this. See here, it will give the bond here and cleaves us carbocation, trimethyl carbocation, and we are getting benzene. So the carbon which possesses the substituent is termed as ipso carbon. So in similar way, here in this trimethylxylane also, when the hydrogen acts as the electrophile, automatically this will get broken and we will get benzene and trimethylxylane chloride. Okay, what is ortho effect? Steric hindrance plays a significant role in substitution reaction. That is, steric hindrance means because of huge group, the reaction will be getting disturbed. The substituent present on benzene in ring is bulky. Ortho attack by electrophile can induce significant steric hindrance in the transition state. However, when the substituent has a hetero atom in which can coordinate with the incoming group, more ortho product is formed. The increase in ortho product because of this effect is at the expense of the para product is called ortho effect. That is because of steric hindrance. If ortho product is formed over para means that is called as ortho effect.